Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Jean Umberto. In this video, we are going to take a look at the control flow, and because these are statements, I'm going to spend some time reminding you of the meaning of a statement. So let's start the discussion. What are control flow statements? Well, when you're writing your JavaScript program, you are actually involved in writing a number of statements, and some of these statements will probably be control flow statement. So what are they really? Well, control statements are used to add a high degree of interactivity to the program. So what is the meaning of a statement, in case you have forgotten? A statement is basically an instruction. This is something that you want your program to do, and a statement ends with a semicolon. I have to mention that in JavaScript, it is not obligatory to end your statement with a semicolon. You may break the line, you may go to the next line and completely ignore the semicolon rule, and your program will still work, but it is highly advised that you end your statement with a semicolon because you might write more than one statement on a single line. So here's an example of a statement. Document.getElement by ID X. Suppose you have an element on your HTML document with an ID X. You may simply talk to that element by creating this reference to the element, which is document.getElement by ID X. And if you want to set some content or value in that particular container or HTML object, you may simply use the inner HTML property that we discussed in one of the previous videos and simply say .inner HTML, and you assign the content or value ABC. So from here, document.getElement by ID X .inner HTML equals ABC, and you can see we have ended this long statement with a semicolon there. Now in JavaScript, even an expression such as var x equals 3 plus 7, and you can see we put a semicolon, this is also considered a statement. Now one more rule to remember is that statements are executed one by one, and like I said earlier, a program usually has more statements. So let me ask you a question. Can you see that here we've got 4 statements? For example, here we have A, that is an expression, var A is 20, okay, B is 30, and C is, of course, the sum of A and B. So A is 20 is a statement. You can see we put a semicolon there. B is 30 is another statement. A plus B is another statement. And document.getElements by ID X .inner HTML equals C is another statement. So this is basically a set of 4 statements that we have written here. Now you may also write one statement on different lines. For example, document.getElement by ID Y .inner HTML equals, and then on the next line you can actually assign or put a value to that particular object. So you can see here, this is the content that we want to insert in the object or the HTML element of ID Y on the page. Okay, so I hope this video has quickly reminded you of the meaning of statement, and in the next video we'll now look at the conditional statement, of course, as part of the control flow statement. Thank you for watching.